Hi, my name is Jazz from Families Paranaque. We have a question from a Filipina wife of a foreigner. Ang tanong niya is, paano raw yung paraan ng pagbabayad kung 50% daw ba yung down, at saka paano daw kung kailan sila makakalipat, kung tapos na ba yung pagbabayad, nun lang sila pwede makalipat. Yung mode of payment namin is 20% yung down payment, 100,000 is the reservation fee, which is part of the 20% down payment. The rest is pwede pong bank financing or kung may cash, and pwede rin naman pong in-house financing. This is just from Families Paranaque.